In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add advanced payments on Freshbooks. By the end, you'll have online payments enabled so clients can pay invoices and deposits right away, which speeds up cash flow and keeps your books tidy. Start by opening your browser and searching for Freshbooks. Look for the official Freshbooks site in the results. It should clearly reference their invoicing and accounting platform. Click through to the homepage and make sure you're on the legitimate site by checking for a secure connection in your address bar. On the homepage, select Login. This takes you to your account dashboard. I won't cover credentials here, just sign in as you normally would. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard where you can navigate to the tools you need. From the left-hand navigation, click Payments. This area is where FreshBooks centralizes your payment activity and settings. It's the hub for turning on advanced payment options so clients can pay directly from invoices. In the Payments section, find and click More Actions. This opens a small menu of additional options related to how you collect money. Choose Accept Online Payments. This is the key step that unlocks advanced payments on your account. FreshBooks will present you with the available processors so you can choose what works best for you and your clients. Select Connect with Stripe to enable credit and debit card payments, and depending on your region, additional methods like digital wallets or bank debits. You'll be guided through Stripe's connection flow to either link an existing Stripe account or create one. Keep your business details handy and ensure your legal business name matches your banking information to avoid verification delays. When you finish, you'll return to FreshBooks with Stripe connected. Alternatively, choose Connect with PayPal. This is a great option for clients who prefer paying from their PayPal balance or linked funding sources. You'll be redirected to authorize the connection. Follow the prompts to grant FreshBooks permission to accept payments through your PayPal account, then return to your payments settings. That's it. With either Stripe or PayPal connected, your invoices and deposits can include a Pay Now button so clients can pay immediately. Payments will appear in your FreshBooks account and funds will be deposited according to your processor's payout schedule. You can revisit the Payments tab anytime to review transactions and adjust settings. If you ever want to switch processors or fine-tune which methods are offered, just return to Accept Online Payments and update your connection.